Jason Tuvia and I just listed 8 units just south of the Hollywood Hills, Runyon Canyon area, right nearby Spalding Square. This property is located at 1643 North Formosa Avenue. It's just south of Hollywood Boulevard, just west of La Brea Avenue. We have 6 one-bedroom, one-bathroom units, and we have 2 two-bedroom, one-bathroom units. It's a nice unit mix that's gonna afford some good turnover for the building. This is one of the most notable locations in all of the Hollywood Hills area. You're just a quick walk from the Chinese Theater, the Pantages Theater, and all the other incredible amenities that Hollywood Boulevard has to offer. So we're priced out here at just under $420 per foot, right around $315,000 per unit, just above a 4.5 cap rate on current numbers, and right below 13.5 times the gross rents. The tenants benefit from gated and secured parking. They also have spacious units. They have parking spaces for 6 out of the 8 units. There have been upgrades recently made to the electrical panels, and the plumbing is all copper throughout. There is potential for a buyer to look into converting some of these carports into ADUs, building out your rental income that way. A savvy investor will look at this deal as an incredible opportunity to pick up one of the best located rent-controlled apartment buildings in the Hollywood Hills, Runyon Canyon area with excellent entry price point and future opportunity to grow.